All right, let's put our singing together with our chording. Got my note here. This is always a little kind of funny. If you want, you can strum just the beginning of each chord so that you've got the sound of the chord with your singing, or it may just really be a kinesthetic thing for you where you are just moving your chords and not necessarily listening to what the chords sound like. Really is going to depend on what feels most useful to you. I am going to throw those chords in there so we can really hear what each chord sounds like with these lyrics. Okay? Before we add the lyrics in though, let's just go over what this pattern is. Yeah? It's 8 bars altogether. Lots of repetition here, which is why I like this as an example. I'm going to start with 2 beats of A, 2 beats of D minor, back to 4 beats of A minor. And then I'm going to play another 2 beats of A minor, 2 beats of D minor, up to 4 beats of E7. Second line starts the same as the first. A minor for 2, D minor for 2, A minor for the full 4 beats. Then I'm going to go to my F chord or F7, up to you, for 2 beats, E7 for 2 beats, back to A minor for 4. Couple things I want to point out about this pattern that help me memorize it just as a chord pattern by itself. First is that we've got this steady pattern of 2 beats of a chord, 2 beats of a chord, 4 beats of a chord, right? So this feel of bum, 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 2, 3, 4, bum, 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 2, 3, 4. So just setting up that pattern in your head to hear something different every 2 beats and then to the settling into the 4 beats. The other thing I think about is how each line starts the same. So we've got this foundation, A minor to D minor, back to A minor. The second time we're kind of moving up. We're going forward in the scale, so going up the scale from A minor to D minor to E7, right? And it's kind of moving in this upward feel. We come back to the foundation. Then we're going to jump up to F and work our way backwards in the alphabet. So kind of down the melody. F, down to E7, back to A minor, right? The E7 in this key is sort of our musical question chord, and A minor is the answer. So if that's more helpful to think about it asking a question in the first line and then giving the answer in the second line, you can think of it that way too. Now, I'm going to line it up with my singing. I'm not going to worry about the strum, but I will just strum the chords so I can hear what that melody and lyric sounds like with these chord changes. 2, 3. Let her go, God bless her. Wherever she may be, she can search this whole world over, never find a man like me. Line up the lyrics, let her go, God bless her. 3, 4, wherever she may be, she can search this whole world over, never find a man like me. Try it again. Let her go, God bless her. Look at your fingers. Wherever she may be, she can search this whole world over, never find a man like me. Just audiate the lyrics. She may be, she can search this whole world over, never find a man like me. Now leave out the chords, let her go. bless her. Maybe visualize or audiate them wherever she may be, or block them out with your fingers. She can search this whole world over, never find a man like me. Bring them back now, let her go, God bless her. Wherever she may be, she can search this whole world over, never find a man like me. Look at your fingers. Let her go, God bless her. Wherever she may be, she can search this whole world over, never find a man like me. Pause there. Yeah. As you can see, it's easy to get tripped up, right? You forget the progression or you have a little awkward moment. You just keep going, right? We're really focused on laying down that foundation for you. So here's another great place to pause, either for the day or just, take a little break, come on back to it. That's how I would practice singing and chording at the same time. You may find if you were doing some strumming just beforehand that you could start to audiate a little bit of that strum pattern. Do, da, do, da, do, da, do. And that is great. If you can hear it coming in, bring it to the table, right? It'll make it that much easier when we do bring those 3 layers together. But there's no pressure to do so. And don't worry if you didn't. Just know that that is one of the next steps that we take. Most important, that audiation of the lyrics and melody while you were chording, and then the audiation of the chords while we were singing. Again, this is our chance to start to fuse these layers together so that when you hear the lyrics and the melody and you're singing it on your own, you can hear those chords in that orchestra in your mind. Are you getting the theme? We're just trying to build out this nice big band in the back of our heads here so we hear them as part of a whole instead of separate layers to try to coordinate together. So feel free to take a pause here. Next, we're going to do a review of bringing these chords and the strum pattern together. So I'll see you there.